Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video we are going to talk about Sebamed baby wash, but before moving on, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press on the bell icon to get notified on my further videos. By the end of this video, if you have any question about this product, then please do comment. I will try to answer all your queries based on the information which I have. Okay, so let's get started. So I have this bottle for Sebamed baby wash, which is for 400 ml, and the cost of this 400 ml is 829 rupees. But you should buy this product online to get some better discounts. So it's a very beautiful bottle with a nozzle, with a pump, so it's very easy to use. And this one I'm already using from the last 3-4 months. So this 400 ml bottle will last for 3 to 4 months based on the use, how you're using this product. So for using this product, you have to use it sparingly based on the skin type of your baby, and just take a few drops on your palm and rub it until it creates a mild foam, and then you have to apply on the whole body of your baby, and then afterwards rinse it off and pat with a dry towel. And while you're rubbing it on the skin of your baby, then you have to rub it gently with caressing hands so that it should not leave the skin with redness. So just be careful about it. Now this product is completely safe to be used from the first day itself, because it has pH value of 5.5, which is the natural pH value of the acid mantle. So this is one of the best thing which I really like about this entire product range. And also this is completely 100% soap free, alkali free, and it has a tear free formula which does not have any formaldehyde. So it will not cause any kind of irritation if it goes in the eye. It will not sting at all, but just be careful that it should not make any contact with the area around the eyes or in the eye itself. Also, one important thing, if you're massaging your baby with coconut oil, olive oil or mustard oil or any other thicker oil, then this baby wash might not help you to remove the excess oil from the skin while you're bathing your baby, because the nature of this baby wash is very gentle. It's a very mild formula, so this goes well with Sebamed massage oil. So this combination is really very nice. But apart from Sebamed massage oil, if you're using any other oil, then it might not remove the greasiness while you're bathing your baby. So just be careful about it. It's an information. So from my side, I'm going to give this baby wash 4.5. Before ending this video, please hit the subscribe button and press on the bell icon so that you get notified on my further videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.